What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I don't know how to start this because it's not a super happy video, but it's not the end of the world. Obviously, by the title of this video, most likely, and the thumbnail, most likely, you guys will know that the Mini was crashed into. So this happened yesterday. Once we get with Brett, I'll explain. But the day we had yesterday was absolutely insane. So first, Mini gets crashed into. Second, we're driving around on the 240, and then this happens. So my tire belted, went flat on us, as you can tell. Threw the stockies on the rear just for now. And then we're at the car meet, because we're like, you know what, let's just go to the car meet, have a good day, forget about it, whatever. And then this happens. Oh, oh! Cop car, cop car, cop car, cop car, cop car. Dodge Grand Caravan, cop car. So there was like 8 cop cars. I guess there's someone who did something. It was in a taxi. They pulled over. Probably 10 cops get out. They all have their guns drawn, like assault rifles, as you could probably tell in that video. Assault rifles, shotguns, pistols. Guy comes out, girl comes out, and there was dogs, and it was a little scary. So we right now, I'm just gonna make sure I still have air in these tires, and then we're gonna see if we can go to the tow yard and go look at the Mini, and then we'll explain what happened. So there's no Mini here.
No.
I haven't explained what happened yet. This is probably the best place to explain what happened. So basically the Mini was parked just a bit ahead of where we are now. This is right outside Britt's house. You guys have seen this before. So it was parked like right up there. And then I guess this guy came down from the intersection right there, turned right, came up this street, somehow bombed so fast that he smoked the back of the Mini and put it, like the nose of the Mini was basically hitting that orange fence right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pictures of the cars in right now. One of them was a Prius and then the other one was the Mini, obviously, so go ahead and take a look at both of those. So I don't know how the Mini took this pretty good. It looks good from the outside. We're pretty sure the frame is bent, so we're most likely going to be saying goodbye to the Mini, unfortunately. But the Prius is smashed up. So we're gonna try and hopefully right now go to Coquitlam Tow Yard, which is where the Mini is, and go check it out in person. I didn't have my camera on me and she called me crying, and I raced up here and didn't even think about bringing the camera. So let's go see if we can go check that out right now. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. So the bumper got pushed all the way down here. This is damaged, exhaust is damaged, that's out. This thing got completely shattered. It's like all in here is all crumpled. This got crumpled. What?
The cap's gone.
Hubcap's missing. A bunch of stuff. So we're just gonna get some pictures. Obviously this is not Bert's fault. So yeah, very damaged. And funny enough, this is the car that frickin' did it.
I guess I'll just do that one.
So yeah, it's very, very damaged. See if I can sneak a little video of the front end, but there's guys right here. So pretty bad. So this is the car that hit Brett. So I mean, compared to the Prius, this thing is a lot better. So yeah, we'll see. How you feeling? It's annoying, hey?
I'm angry.
I'm angry. So yeah, this guy. Pardon my French. I'm gonna bleep that, but like, you know what I said. So yeah, her exhaust tips. How do you feel about the exhaust tips being damaged?
I mean,
they held up pretty good.
could come off.
Yeah. But yeah, we're pretty sure the frame got a little bent in all of this, so we'll see once it goes to the body yard. This is, or body shop, sorry. This is just at the tow yard because they need to get it off the sidewalk where this thing pushed it to. Man, we just washed it the other day too. Had it on my Instagram story. If you don't follow me there yet, it'll be right here. And Britt's will be on her because I know how to do pop tags now. All right, babe.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. Hey, say bye to the Mini. You want to give it a one last hug? Okay. Bye, Mini. So yeah, as you can see, the Mini is a little messed up. The Prius that hit her, very messed up. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. It's probably not gonna go to the body shop till like what, next week or something. So she'll just get a rental till then. ICBC claim pays for it all, but I don't know. I think she's done so. Not looking too good. So I guess, I mean, hey, on to bigger and better things, right? Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. She might buy a beater if she gets the money from this, but we're just looking at options right now and we'll figure it out. But as from the title, you know that she's not coming, but I am going with Steven to go pick up his new car tonight. So I'm going to film some of that, and then we'll film picking up the car and everything. So it's dope. Me and her both know what the car is, and it is 10 times cooler than my car. I'm jealous. I think I'm more excited for him getting this car than I was for this car. No, that's a lie. I am so pumped to have this on the road. So, yeah, I'm probably just gonna have a chill day, not do much. I'll pick this back up once we are with Steven and Damien, driving 7.5 hours for this car. Keep that in mind. That's how cool this car is. It's so worth it. So we'll see you then. All right, you guys, so little time check for you. Kind of hard to see, but it's 1:34 a.m. I'm starting to record now because Brandon is pulling in the S15. We are now waiting on Damien and Steven. I am very tired, but I have a monster, so we'll be good. We'll be real good. So let's see how Brandon's doing. How you feeling?
Morning, folks.
Tired yet?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, we're with the whole crew now. Hello.
How's it going?
About to flex on everybody.
Oh, are we flexing? No, I don't want to flex that on the camera.
Okay. Anyways, okay, so everyone's here. We're officially on our way. Time check, 1:50 a.m. Oh, baby. 1 hour in. How are we feeling, Steven?
Why am I doing this?
Steph, how are we feeling?
I should be at home with my puppy.
Brando, before you run away, how you feeling? It's a little stiff. Steve or Damien.
Oh, not complaining yet.
All right, so we are at our first stop that actually has really good lighting, surprisingly. So we are about, I don't know, an hour into the drive. Time check. 3:05 a.m. Everybody else is tired. I have a second wind of energy right now, so we're gonna get some pizza and send it. Oh no. I think we're getting Subway, boys.
I think that's a little questionable.
That's very questionable.
I'd say that's questionable.
Hey, Steph, you might have been right about this whole pizza situation.
Funny.
I think it's gonna be Subway for this one. Little upset.
You want a pizza, bud?
I did want pizza.
Want a slice?
I'm good. I think I'm gonna go with good old Subway over there. I'll drink 3 this whole trip. How are you? Good. I'm not sitting like I just in my quick around breakfast. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, Steven.
Updates.
Don't tell them what the car is, because I want to surprise them. I haven't told them where we're going. I don't think I've told them how far it is, anything like that. So go ahead, go nuts.
Okay, so car we're picking up is in Quesnel, which
BC.
is 7 hours from Vancouver. It's like what, 600?
Yeah, 639 kilometers.
Yeah, whatever. It's a long drive.
Yeah. It's 3:19 a.m. right now. We left at, what time did we leave your house? 2?
2-ish, yeah.
2. We left Travis's at 2. So, and we have a solid 5 something to go.
At least.
5 and 5:40 or something to go.
So the plan is to get to Quesnel for like 9.
Hopefully.
Buy this piece of crap. Get the hell out of Quesnel.
Yeah. Why are we going to Quesnel? Like,
I don't know, man.
Oh, just wait. Look at these guys.
you can ask any of them. The whole time we've been driving, I'm just like, hey, let's just get a pizza. Let's get a pizza.
Literally the whole time, I'm so hungry. I want this pizza.
So,
Pretty sure this bread was made 2 weeks ago.
alright. So Brandon, how much have you slept today?
Oh yeah.
I think I got a solid hour and a half in.
Hour and a half, not bad, not bad.
Okay, so I woke up at 10:30. I slept for about 20 minutes, and I'm going off of about 6 hours of sleep, and I'm freaking great.
Wait, what time did you get up?
About 10:30.
Oh,
I
wait.
went to bed at like
P-
3:30.
Oh, PM.
No, AM.
Oh, AM. Oh, buddy.
Okay, I woke up at
Okay,
10
so
a.m.
You haven't slept really.
I woke up at 10:30 a.m. I had a 20-minute nap at about 5:45, and then I went to a car meet. I went to 192nd, and now we're here. This is like bedtime for me.
I woke up for work at 8. Probably got like 7 hours last night, maybe, and then I slept 20 minutes tonight.
So we're about the same right now.
So I'm exhausted, and I'm about to go to bed in the truck. So
Then I think I got the most sleep. I like.
you and Quinnell.
Yeah, I slept for like a little bit earlier in the day, maybe a couple hours, and then I just went to bed at like 8-ish p.m. and then I slept up until midnight. So I'm pretty good to go.
How many hours did you get last night, and how long was your nap today?
I slept 3 hours yesterday, and then I didn't have a nap today.
Okay, so
yeah.
Steph is passing out first.
For all of you people in the vlog, this is Stephanie. This is my girlfriend, my better half.
Aww.
It's true.
This is
Fun
also
stuff.
Akira's owner.
Oh yeah, Akira, like their puppy. Yeah. And her dad is the one who did my original engine swap of the SR
Before it blew up.
before it blew
Inevitably.
up. Yeah, I mean,
Alright, this battery's about to die.
that's okay.
What a sick road trip this is, though.
I'm pumped. I honestly, I don't know if my excitement is for the, you know, or just the road trip up and down.
I'm pretty enjoying the road trip. Just like
It's a sick road trip, and then on top of that, we get to pick up a dope ass car.
Yeah.
Like,
dope ass car.
No, it's a piece of shit. It's, I mean,
Yeah, we're going up 6 hours for a beater.
joke's on you, it's a rusted out Honda Civic.
Dude, don't tell him it's a 2002 Kia Rio. Either way.
He scrapped it.
The guy that picked it up, like, couldn't even breathe. He was laughing. He's like trying to get on the trailer, and he just stops, shuts it off like halfway on, and he just gets out. He's like, "What's up, you guys?
What's going on?
What's going on? We're awake again. We're only 265 kilometers from Likely Road.
Okay, so time check. We're checking in at 4:51. It's really hard to see, but Damien and I still haven't slept. All the three in the back have. You probably can't see them at all. Hey, fella. Hey, little guy. How's it going?
No light?
Yeah.
No light. Oh, with the camera?
No, the light.
Oh. So it's actually starting to get light out, if you can't tell. So yeah, we're making progress. We still have a 4-hour drive ahead of us. How you feeling, Damien?
I'm feeling great. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's a trailer park up there. I mean,
So
wow.
let's not forget, this might not sound funny to you guys, but it's also 5 a.m. So this is really funny to us. Brandon, how you feeling? Can't see him, but he's there. All right.
yeah."
Steph?
Yeah.
Yeah. Steven?
Doing well.
Doing well.
Oh, come on, man.
No.
The correct answer.
This was a terrible idea. Why did you do this?
Oh, are you kidding me?
This is the best
Fuck this,
idea.
Let's go home.
Can we just turn around now? I mean, we're halfway there, but like, send it, right?
We're not really halfway there yet.
We're like almost halfway there.
45 minutes to halfway, dude.
Yeah. Oh no, really?
We got tons of time left.
45 minutes to halfway.
Drop the windows, drop the windows. I will, 1 second.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Make him do the noise.
Do the paddle thing. Do the paddle thing.
Somebody paddle, somebody chop. I'm gonna chop.
Look at that.
I don't think Damien can really do anything.
We're gonna lose this.
All right, time check, Steven.
5:11. We're not even halfway there.
Hey, Brandon, it's 5. You're supposed to laugh.
What's going on?
All right, so we are in the middle of Yeehaw country. How you feeling?
Oh my good god.
The
drone out there?
How you feeling?
I'm pretty good.
How you feeling?
Waterfall?
I feel. I think we can tell. Hold on, we're gonna do a little squad Q&A because someone suggested that.
Squad Q&A.
What was your first car, and when did you get it?
I like that question.
Oh god, like first like actual car?
First, like, cool car, let's say.
Oh, it was an S14 Sylvia with a Navin kit.
Oh.
That was my first actual.
So right-hand drive, SR, everything?
Yeah, it was non-turbo though,
Non-turbo, okay.
but it was a nice car.
Steph?
Not applicable.
Not
I
applicable.
have yet to own a cool car.
What's your cool car?
93 Celica GTS. It
Ooh!
was a nice car.
So I switched to the phone because camera stopped recording. Damien, what was your first cool car?
My first cool car and my first car was my 93 Nissan 240 SX.
Really?
That's my first car.
And this current.
Yeah, and my current.
Dude, I am actually in the same
Okay, I
boat.
gotta do the-
All right, so next question of the Q&A. Steven, how many cars have you owned?
You're gonna have to come back to me in like 20 minutes.
Okay, how many cars have you owned?
Have I owned?
Yes.
So the 240, I had X3, I had a 98 Skyline, and I have this Tacoma. So that's 4.
There you go. I know Brandon's a little up there in the car numbers. Oh, you have a full list?
Yep.
So me personally, I have owned 2 cars. They have both been 240s. One was an 89, absolute rust bucket, piece of junk.
You own another 240?
I owned a gunmetal gray 89 single slammer with rust holes in the frame that you could stick your fist through. Automatic, piece of garbage. Got it for $350, so why not? So, Brandon, as I was saying, you have your list.
93 Toyota Celica GTS. 1997 Geo Metro. 1997 Toyota Supra.
1 second.
That was my favorite car. 1996 Ford Escort, 2003 Nissan 350Z, 2002 Kia Rio, 2000 Infiniti QX4, 1993 Toyota Camry, 1993 Nissan 240SX SR20.
I like that car.
98 Nissan Maxima, 2010 370Z, and current is 1999 Nissan Sylvia S15 with an RB25 swap.
There we go. All right, you came back over, so I'm assuming you are ready. So, but how many,
Oh, how many have I owned?
like your
personally?
personal cars?
Okay, so personal cars I've had. So there's the Laurel, the truck,
The hatch, S13 hatch.
2 hatches.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry, the hatch and the vert. What else have I owned? 97 Corolla. It was like my first car.
Yeah.
Oh, the
Your Civic, supercharged
I
Civic.
forgot the Civic. That Civic was honestly one of my favorites. Okay, Civic. And then the new car, which is coming in a matter of like 4 hours. I'm not going home empty-handed. Yeah. I don't care if this guy's like, I'm not taking that price. I'm not going home empty-handed. This was
driving home.
so we're going home empty-handed. Car was a piece of shit.
How did I know?
Let's go ahead. Are we doing updates?
Leads well.
They're all out. So,
You're good.
alright, so it's currently 7 a.m. We're still 2.5 hours up for now.
Yeah.
Roads are wet. Damien's just chucking.
I'm gonna expire in like 30 minutes.
You're gonna expire in like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have someone take over in 30 minutes. Cause,
I fully volunteer.
Well, that means
I'm gonna need a couple hours to nap.
Believe it or not, our next turn is still Likely Street.
Likely Road.
Likely Road, sorry.
Now that I'm back here, I'm not tired. It's closed.
Did you just map it to Quinnell or like?
I'm like wide awake now.
That's all for now, folks. Put this whole clip in there, Travis. Just waiting for the 69.
Hey! I'm not going to show you the car yet. So we are officially at the guy's house. I'm not going to disclose his location or anything like that. Just know we are very far away. So I don't know if you guys are ready for this. So I guess here we go.
Just me